We're going to use one of my favorite keyword research tools, SEMrush, and we are going to figure out how to use this tool to identify a niche. Now, when you log into SEMrush, you can use my link inside this video for a free trial. This is an affiliate link, and I do benefit if you wind up making a purchase. What we're going to do is we're going to look up an idea for something that we might want to do a niche website for. So let's just say you are thinking of doing pet supplies. This is a popular niche, and we're going to go up here and we're going to type in pet supplies. We're going to take a look and see at what kind of action these terms are getting in terms of search volume, and we're going to see if we can narrow that down to a niche. So I'm going to click view full report. Now, if you were going to do a pet supply, let's just say you want to build a website around pet supplies, you're really going to be building kind of an authority site. You're probably going to be blogging about dogs and cats and their wellness and their nutrition and their food, and you're really going to have to create a massive amount of content. And you're going to be competing against some major stores, right, that are going to be in this space. For example, let me go over here and look up pet supplies. All right, using my Keywords Anywhere tool, I can see that there are 60,500 monthly searches. So I might go, oh, that's excellent because so many people are searching that term, right? But the problem is it's very competitive, high competition. So if I scroll down here, here's who I would be competing against: Pet Supplies Plus, PetSupplies.com, Petco, 1-800-PetMeds, Petland, and of course this is custom to my location right now, Amazon, Chewy.com. Oh my gosh, this is going to be very challenging to do that. So what I'd rather do is laser target this down to a much smaller niche. So let's take a look. So pet supplies. All right, let's keep looking. Pet supply stores. All right, Chewy pet supplies. You can see how popular that one is. This is kind of just a keyword tool to give me an idea. Let's look at related searches. What might be related to pet supplies? Okay, pet shop equipment, supplies for pets, dog and cat supplies. All right, let's say we want to narrow this down to cat. Let me go back to the top portion here. Let's type in cat supplies. All right, now we've narrowed it down to 3,600. Look at this, cat party supplies. Oh my gosh, that's a niche. I know this sounds funny. Let me go over here and look. Cat party supplies. I can spot them when I'm looking, but watch this. It's all going to be party plates, banners. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. Now, who are we competing against? Party City, Amazon, Oriental Trading, Etsy. Yeah, I think there's a spot here for this. Party City cat themed supplies. I know this is funny, but I just accidentally discovered that niche. I think that could be a website, a Pinterest board, and not require too much. And there's a difference between an authority site and a niche site. We're not trying to create a big website all around health and wellness and products for all pets. We've now narrowed this down to, or all party supplies. This is now cat party supplies, right? Very niche focused, but I know that's a funny example. I just spotted it and thought that was interesting. Okay, so I might look there. Now here, let me show you another way I could generate some more ideas. So let's look at PetSmart cat section. All right, let's say we've narrowed it down. We went from pet supplies, now we went down to cat, so we're just going to build a website around cat supplies. So what I do now is I take a look. PetSmart is the #1 ranking website for that term. Our tool just showed us that. And I'm going to look and see what PetSmart's ranking for that I might like. So I'm going to click View All Organic Keywords. This is one of my favorite ways to find opportunity, is by looking at top websites in that space and narrowing down an opportunity, okay? So cat accessories, 1692. Oh, that's their traffic. There's 3,600 monthly searches for cat accessories, okay? So that's an opportunity. Kitten supplies. Now look at that, you guys. We just went from all things cat, and now we're narrowing it down to just kittens. So it's going to be kitten food, and little things are going to appeal to just kittens. So that could be a niche website in itself, okay? Cat collars. There's another one. Cat collars could be a niche website in itself. Oh my goodness, cat diapers. Well, I haven't had to deal with that myself, but that absolutely could be a niche site. Cat sweaters. Oh my gosh. Cat sweaters. That's absolutely an opportunity for a niche. Now, what the difference is that you would build a website and everything on that website would be cat sweaters. Now, let me tell you how easy this is. I am part of an affiliate forum called Wealthy Affiliates, and I'm putting a link here in this video and in this article to the Wealthy Affiliates forum, and you can join for free. And then if you decide to upgrade to a website or to some of the tools, then I would benefit when you use my link. Now, I have a Wealthy Affiliate account, and I have their site Rubik's websites, and for your premium membership, you actually gain access to 50 WordPress websites. It would be as simple as you creating one WordPress website that you like, and they come with all kinds of themes, or you can customize your own theme. And then all you do is run that each time. So you might have catsweaters.com. You know, obviously those .coms are probably going to be taken, but something like Fuzzy Cat Sweaters, My Cat Sweaters, Fun Cat Sweaters, CatGideonSweaters.com, and then you would have catcollars.com, and you would have such and such, and the entire website could be an Amazon Associate store, or you could have other affiliate products, and maybe you're going to do reviews on these cat collars. You can't just take Amazon reviews and take them, but you could write your own reviews. You can have other people write your reviews, but maybe that's really where you're going to focus. Maybe you do write an article called The Best Cat Collars, or why such and such cat collars are better than other cat collars. And you're going to do a series of, you know, anywhere from 1 or 2 blogs up to maybe, I don't know if you could do 30 blogs around cat collars, or things related to cat safety, maybe identifying your cats. You know, if you think about why people would put on a cat collar, you know, they're wanting to locate their cat. So maybe you can have links to engravable cat collars and your whole website. That's the difference between building we went from pet supplies to cat supplies to cat collars. And now you build an entire website around cat collars. Now the challenge with that, people often say, is, well, I can't scale up then. You know, if I just build all cat collars, then I can't sell, you know, cat treats and cat food. Well, that's probably true. You don't want to dilute your website with things that aren't cat collars. But there's no reason that you couldn't quite simply register a domain for the next thing and create a website just around that. In my opinion, it would be better to have 10 niche websites, each with its own specific focus to rank on Google, than it would be to have one thing that's all cats. Now, if you're going to drive your traffic in through pay-per-click marketing, Facebook ads, other social media ads, that might be a totally different story. But if you're specifically working to rank on the search engines for that item, the smaller you go, the better. That's today's training on how to use SEMrush to find niche opportunities. I'm Lori Ballen, and I earn 6 figures on affiliate income, and I appreciate you joining me today. Please subscribe and click the bell on YouTube to be notified when I put more videos on my channel.